So in this video, we're going to look at some more distributive property examples. So more distributive property examples. And so like before, remember, to be able to use the distributive property, you have to have stuff inside parentheses and it has to have addition or subtraction signs. So for example, you might see something like this. So last time we did some pretty basic ones where there were just two terms, but here you can have more than two terms. So maybe I have something like this, -3 times inside the parentheses x minus 3y plus 4. So I have here addition and subtraction signs. And so out here, this -3, so it's going to go to each of these pieces. So we're going to have -3 times x. We're going to have this minus sign here comes down. And then I still have outside here -3. So we're going to have minus times -3 times y. And then plus, again, this addition sign, and then the -3 times 4. And then we're just going to simplify each of these pieces. So the first piece is -3x. Here, negative times negative would be positive. So I'm going to end up with a positive 3y. And I'm going to have a minus 12. Now generally, I jump right from this first piece to the second piece. I don't write that middle pink step. But it's completely up to you. You can do either one. The other thing to notice is that here none of these pieces are like terms, right? This has just x's, this has just y's, and this has the minus 12, which doesn't have any x's or y's in it. So I can't put anything together there. So that's pretty much all there is to do for that problem. So we'll look at some more. Here's another one. So -2 times -4 a squared minus 3 plus b cubed. So again, inside the parentheses here, I have 3 pieces. There's some addition and subtraction going on. And so I'm going to take this -2 and I'm going to distribute it to each of these pieces. So we're going to end up with -2 times -4a squared. This minus is going to come down, and then I have -2 times 3. This plus is going to come down, and then I have -2 times that b cubed. And so if I fix them all, so -2 times the -4, that's going to give me a positive 8a squared. Here, I have negative times negative, which would be positive 2, times 3 is a positive 6, so plus 6. And then here, I have a positive times a negative, so that's just going to give me a negative. So -2b cubed. And again, the variables don't match on any of these, so I cannot put it together to simplify it any more than that. And we'll try one more. So maybe we have 5 minus 3y plus v times 9. So in this case, right, the number that's being multiplied is at the end, and that's okay. So we're going to take this, we're going to distribute it to each of these pieces. So we're going to have 5 times 9. We're going to have the minus sign from here, and then we're going to have 9 times 3y, the plus sign, and we're going to have 9 times v. So 5 times 9 is 45, minus 9 times 3 is 27y, plus 9v. And again, none of these have like terms. They're not alike, so I can't put them together. So that's just my final answer.